Hotel Caravaggio is a charming 3-star hotel located in the heart of Florence, Italy. It offers a convenient base for exploring the city's rich cultural and historical attractions.
We stayed here in room 611. This is just another amazing hotel and another amazing location.
The hotel is situated in a central area, close to many of Florence's major landmarks, including the Accademia Gallery, the Duomo, and the San Lorenzo Market. It's within walking distance of other popular sites like the Ponte Vecchio.
Overall, we had a really nice room, nice view. I definitely would recommend this. It is in a great location. Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.